Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who craves beautifully styled curls, but without the damage, then today's product might just be what you're looking for. Let's talk about the Colors by Gina Excel Infrared Curling Iron C65. This is a unisex curling iron that promises to deliver long-lasting curls while keeping your hair healthy and shiny. Let's find out if it really lives up to its claims. The Colors by Gina Excel Infrared Curling Iron features a 1-inch barrel that heats up quickly, making it perfect for busy mornings or when you're looking to style your hair in a hurry. The key feature of this curling iron is its infrared heat technology, which helps minimize heat exposure to your hair. This is crucial in reducing damage, as excessive heat can cause dryness and breakage over time. The device is also designed to provide long-wearing results, meaning your curls or waves should stay put throughout the day without needing to recurl. Now let's get into the experience of using this curling iron. I've used it in various styling scenarios, including creating tight curls for a more polished look and soft waves for a more casual vibe. The 1-inch barrel is ideal for both of these styles, offering versatility. It heats up in seconds, which is a huge time saver. When you're on the go, this quick heat up is a game changer. Plus, the iron feels comfortable in your hand. It's lightweight, so you won't tire out during longer styling sessions. One of the standout features is how it limits heat exposure. Infrared technology ensures that your hair isn't subjected to extreme temperatures. This is particularly beneficial for anyone who is worried about heat damage. After using the curling iron, my hair felt softer and less frizzy than when I've used traditional curling irons. It's a noticeable difference, and for someone who is cautious about heat damage, this is a big plus. Now, let's dive into the pros and cons. Pros. The infrared heat technology is a standout, helping to limit hair damage while still delivering results. Quick heat up time, making it perfect for people with busy schedules. Lightweight design ensures comfortable use, even for extended periods. Long-lasting curls and waves that hold up throughout the day without needing to touch up. Cons? The 1-inch barrel might not be ideal for people with longer or thicker hair who want looser waves. It's not the most affordable curling iron on the market, so it may not be the best option for those on a budget. When it comes to value for money, I believe this curling iron is worth the investment, particularly if you're concerned about hair damage. The technology used in this product is aimed at protecting your hair while still delivering high-quality results. So, if you're someone who regularly uses a curling iron, this could be a good purchase for your long-term hair health. In terms of build quality, the Colors by Gina Excel Infrared Curling Iron feels solid and durable. The materials used are high quality, which is reassuring when you're spending money on a styling tool. There's no cheap plastic feel here, and the overall construction suggests this curling iron will last. Now, you might be wondering, is there a better option for my budget? If you're looking for a more affordable alternative, there are plenty of curling irons that deliver good results, but they may not offer the same protection from heat damage. Brands like Conair or Remington offer curling irons at a lower price point, but keep in mind that you may not get the same advanced technology or long-lasting results as you do with this one. So, does the Colors by Gina Excel Infrared Curling Iron C65 live up to its claims? Yes, it does. The infrared technology is a game changer for anyone who wants to protect their hair while still achieving gorgeous curls. It's easy to use, fast heating, and delivers results that last. If you're looking for a curling iron that's both effective and gentle on your hair, this one is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you've used this curling iron or have any questions, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Stay beautiful inside and out, and until next time, take care.